Life begins when the cell breaks. Hello everyone, Namaste. I am myself a presenter Navin Rai, a student of Italy International College, continuing my study as a business administration. Given are the video presentation agendas, I am a passionate and visionary individual with a fast-paced, optimistic approach to life who values and work critical thinking and stay committed to continuous learning. With an ENFJ protagonist personality type, I am an enthusiastic and versatile individual who believes in the power of growth and self-discovery, driven to embrace challenges and strive for excellence. My future aim is to focus on mastering leadership skills to own a gas station by 2030, gaining technical expertise through courses and hands-on work, and setting clear growth targets, and ultimately established a successful gas station business. I worked as an intern in ING Skills Academy for EDU department as a specified event management. Stay skills ahead. ING Skills Academy, established in 2030 by Nikhil Raj Shrestha, operates in Kathmandu, Nepal with the education administration sector. The academy focuses on skill enhancement and career preparation, offering training programs in IT, business management, AI, entrepreneurship, and more. Known for innovative teaching methods and professional certification, it provides a structured environment where students acquire practical skills directly applicable to the job market. The target market includes high school students aged to 15 to 25, college students aged to 17 to 30, and institutions across Nepal. The mission is to bridge the gap between academic learning and professional careers by delivering essential skills and training, enabling students to achieve their full potential and secure successful futures. The vision is to become a leading provider of interacting learning solutions. Moving towards the offered service by ING Skills Academy, ING Skills Academy offers a range of services to empower learners like workshops for high school students such as Futurama and specialized campaigns, skillful webinars providing interactive online sessions on trending topics, boot camps, intensive programs for practical hands-on learning and experience, skill enrichment programs designed to enhance leadership, communication, and technical abilities. Through patient analysis, the academy capitalizes on sustainability practices and align with government initiatives for vocational education, economic growth, and digital infrastructure improvement, enable ING to expand its services across Nepal, especially beyond urban areas. Changing social trends such as the rise in entrepreneurship open new opportunities for skill-based programs. However, aligned with educational standards remains vital to maintaining its reputation. Talking about SWOT analysis finding, students include an extensive skill development programs and a strong social media presence, making ING a favorite among Nepalese youth. Challenges lie in limited rural area and reliance on internet connectivity. Opportunities appear from the growing demand for skill development, education, and potential partnership with institutions and government agencies. However, competition from similar providers remains a threat. Talking about Potter's 5 forces analysis finding, in the skill development sector, low entry barriers and increasing competitions need innovations. Moderate supplier power allows for flexibility while offering unique programs, reducing buyer power, creating unique value. To drive growth, ING Skills Academy has impressive marketing objectives, increasing brand awareness through platforms like RONB Post and Instagram, expanding students' intake from rural areas by 30%, established partnership with IT companies, boosting revenues by 20% in 3 months through leadership workshop and technical boot camps, and advertising strategies include print ads, social media campaigns, and launch events for programs like Futurama and other boot camps. New marketing strategies focuses on digital transformations, including platforms like LinkedIn and YouTube for students' success stories and free webinars. Data-driven decision-making enables personalized course recommendations, with CSR initiatives offer scholarships and free workshops to support sustainable development. While analyzing growth rate of the company from 2021 to 2024, the growth rate increased by impressive 80%, reflecting its dedications to the innovation and skill development. Through personal development, I gain expertise in critical thinking, collaboration, professionalism, time management, and others. Using tools like Odoo, ClickUp, and Event Planner, I manage events while building strong communication and networking skills. At the workplace, I implemented transformation and servant leadership approach to lead events like Happening Kavya, Futurama 2024, and many more. By managing students flow, overseeing stalls, and guiding resource management, I prioritize the team needs, gain trust, and ensure successful outcomes. Two leadership approaches have been implemented. With transformation leadership, I inspired positive organization change, while servant leadership fostered trust, collaboration, and shared purpose. Given are the real life examples of workplace implementing leadership approaches. To enhance growth, I recommend building strong teams and regularly updating to reflect industry trends as well as providing employee development programs to better outcomes. In a nutshell, my journey at ING Skills Academy has shaped my personal and professional growth. Leadership approaches and adaptability have not only improved my skills but also created value for others. This experience continues to guide me in achieving success and making a positive impact. For more detail, visit this site and thank you.